Okay, greetings everyone. My name is Darryl Effendi, and in this video, I'm going to present to you about my team submission in the Internet Computer Hackathon. So in this hackathon, my team has developed an application that aims to transform charity with Web3 technology and the blockchain, the ICP blockchain. So using this application, charity will become more transparent and more trusted. Okay, so what does it really mean to be transparent or to be trusted as a charity? What kind of problems that our application solve? So charity, to this day, it is often corrupted and it has been used as a money laundering scheme or as a tax evasion platform. Well, that is a really bold take and it doesn't happen too often, but it has happened before in the past. Therefore, by using this application, we aim to prevent from those events happening. We want to make charity purely used for philanthropy and for sharing. So how does this application solves the problem of corruption? Money that are sent to the charity receivers or the charity itself will be fully recorded in the blockchain, will be fully transparent. Therefore, everyone can see every single detail of the transaction. So people can see where the money is coming from and where the money goes to. And also, the money, it doesn't get sent directly to the charity receiver, but instead, it will be held first in our system's wallet. And more to that soon, we will be discussing further down in the video. So without further ado, this is the landing page. This consists of the hero section, the quote, our commitment, and also the testimonials. And this is the footer section, and this is our team. Our team consists of 5 people. There's me, myself, Victor Halim, Christopher Alden, Eldrian Giovanni, and also the Kelvin. You can go ahead and look up our GitHub. Okay, so how do we start using the application? We can go ahead and click on this button or on this nav bar right here. What this does is this will lead us to the home page. However, if we are not authenticated yet, we must first log in with our internet identity in the ICP blockchain. So just go ahead and click it, and I'll just make a new identity for this demonstration. Okay, and then after we're done with that, we will be asked to fill in our credentials to register our account. So let's just do that. I'll fill in my name and also my information and also my email. Let's try this. All right, and we're in. So this is the home page. The home page consists of the hero section, which displays the total funds raised, and this is the featured section, and this is all of the charity. Okay, so how can we raise funds? How can we create charities? Let's just go back to the landing page, and we can click on Become a Fundraiser. Okay, so in this page, we will be filling in the details of the charity fundraising event that we will be creating. So let's just fill, for example, I want to fund a charity for an earthquake. So let's just fill in help people that suffered from the Japanese earthquake. Okay, and let's just pick the location, the start date, and also the end date. Next, then we can give description to our project. Let's just put in random words. There was an quake that took place People need your funds to survive. Okay. And then we can pick tags that describe our project's purpose. So let's just pick emergency and funeral, let's say. Then next, this is my credentials. I'll put in my phone number as well. And I'll just put in my address, number, and etc. Okay, and we also need to put in our target funds. And for this one, I want my donation to reach 10 ICP coins. So let's just put like that, and we'll upload an image so that people can see what our charity is about and create. Okay. Our charity is now live and we can see it in the home page, as you can see right here. Okay, so let's just click on here and let's just see what this page is all about. So in the fundraise detail page, we can see the title, the text, and the amount of tokens that has been donated to this project. So we can see the description and also the location and as well as the time. Okay, and later on, when people have started donating, we can see their transactions in this table right here. So everything is transparent and everything is open source. Okay, so how can we donate to this charity? We must first connect to our wallet. So in our navbar section, we can click on Connect Wallet. I'll put in my password for my Block Wallet API. Okay, and we'll click Allow. Okay, and as you can see, our wallet has been connected. Then we can go ahead and donate, but because 10 ICP is too much for me, we can fill in our own amount. Let's say I want to donate 0.0001 ICP just for testing purposes. And we can give a note that we can provide to the receiver. We can put in kind words. For example, I want to say, hope the best for you. And we can click on donate. Okay. And the notification for the Block Wallet API will show up, and we can click confirm to sign the transaction. And we can just wait for the transaction to take place. Okay, then we're set and done. Let's just refresh the page. And as you can see here, our funds has increased. And also, if we look at the donation section, we can see our own transaction. We can see the ID. Where did these funds came from, which is from my wallet address. And where does these funds are sent to. All right. Now, how can we, as the fundraiser, withdraw our money? How can we withdraw our tokens? So we can look at the navbar once again, and we can click on the profile page. Profile. Okay, so in this profile page, we can see our name, last name, our email. We can update our information. And also we can see our own internet identity. This is my identity, and we can copy it if we need to paste it to other places. Click to uncensor, and we can see our charities, my charities. So basically this page tells us about every charities that we have raised, that we have created previously. Okay, so there is also this transactions page, which shows every donation that we have made in the past, which this is the donation that I have made before with an amount of 0.00001 ICP. Okay, so this is the withdraw page. We can give an amount. Let's say I want to withdraw 0.000001 and put in our address. And we must give a description on why do we want to withdraw our money. Let's say we want to buy supplies and food for the people, and we must send an invoice. Let's just send this image for demonstration purposes. Alright, then our withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. And if we head back to the page, our withdrawal request hasn't been confirmed yet. Because how does this work? After the user requests for a withdrawal transaction, the application admin or the application developers must first verify the integrity of the withdrawal request. So an admin will then see the withdrawal request and they will take a look at the description and the invoice, and they will decide whether the transaction is valid or not. So let's just see how that works. I'll open another tab. So this part is for seeing withdrawal requests for admins, but because this is already logged in, I'll demonstrate on logging in into the enterprise account. So I will just put in the email philanthropy@gmail.com and we'll fill in the password. So in this page, admins or developers can see every withdrawal request that has been made. And when we click in process, so what this page does is we can click on process and we can approve or reject withdrawal transactions. So we can see the description and we can verify whether this withdrawal is valid or corrupted. If it is valid, then we can click approve. Okay, then the status will become, it will disappear from this page. Why? Because it has been accepted. So that is how accepting or validating transactions work. Alright, so that is for our pages. And I think that we're set and done. Okay. So I will explain briefly on how does our transaction work to make things clear here. So when we have a charity holder and there are many people that sends money to the charity creator, this is the charity event creator, the money doesn't being sent to their wallet directly, but it is stored in our application's wallet. So when people send money to the charity event, it is sent into PhilanthroFi's wallet. And then when the creator, the charity event creator, has submitted a withdrawal request and the withdrawal requests have been approved, the funds will then be directed into the charity event creator's wallet. So that is how our transactions work. So with this system, we will be able to make charity become more safe, transparent, and more decentralized. And as always, people can see all transactions from donations to withdrawals in this page right here. Okay, and the last page that I'm going to show you, we have a page that is dedicated to searching. So this is the explore page. You can access it from the navigation bar. And what this page does is it can basically search. So let's just search for help search, and it will filter out the results based on our query. Okay, so it will filter out the dummy examples, the dummy projects that are available previously. And not only that, we can also filter based on the text. So let's say I want to look at just environment or emergency. That is possible. And also we can filter by location. So let's just say we want to see Jakarta or Jalan Jalur Sutra Barat, just like that. We can filter based on the location. Alright, so that's about it for our application, for our project submission. I hope this project can make impact to the marketplace, and I guess I'll see you soon. Thank you.